What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. I haven't made a video for a month or two, mainly just because I've been waiting for parts and trying to find certain parts. But now I'm going to do a bit of an update on what I've been working out with the car, as well as give you an update on the motor and how that's going. So let's get into it. Okay, so to start out with, I'm going to show you what I've been doing today on the car. We put on the little railings on the side, like at the top of the doors, as you can see there, or up there. And then we test fit the roof, just to make sure it fit after Dad replaced, like cut out some of the sections and re-welded it, just to make sure it was still square and everything lined up. So it bolted down alright. So that means we're not going to have to buy a new roof, which is nice to know. So now we just got to take the roof back off again, and then we're going to bog it up and get that ready to go, as well as currently the our mechanic has got the motor, so that's actually coming along really nicely. It's looking absolutely awesome, so that should be going in this empty engine bay soon. So, and then we've also got the gearbox in the garage ready to go, so we just got to take that to him, and he's going to just check all the gears and stuff for me, because I don't want to put it in and then have to pull it out again if it's crap. So this is what the motor looks like currently. Our mechanic's done an awesome job on it. He cleaned up the whole block and repainted it with engine enamel, and he had all the rocker cover and the headers water jet cleaned, as well as they've been like polished. So the motor's almost ready to go back in the car. Just got to have a few more things put on it and get the oil pressure up, as well as the water pump, and that has to go on as well. But yeah, he's got crap all inside the car, but starting to get there. Looks pretty sick with the roof on. As well as one of the dudes at my dad's work was nice enough to give me a set of Light Force spotties, so he gave me the nicer ones. And I bought these at a garage sale a while ago. So I'm going to chuck them on the car. So I'm going to chuck all the spotties on a rack all the way along the top of the roof there. So I'm going to have like the 4 spotties up there, and then I'm going to possibly think about changing out this bull bar. It's okay, it's just a bit small, so I want to build it up a bit. So I got a spot for a winch in the middle, and then I'm going to run a light bar like under that bar, and some lights in the sides. As well as I'm going to move the aerial mounts back, because I put them in front of the bar. So now the aerials can't bend backwards, and because I got this humongous aerial on the top here, when I go forward driving in that, I don't want it pushing on trees and then not be able to bend backwards. So I'm going to move the aerial mounts to behind the bar. So I'm either going to modify this one or make a new one, or I might even buy one, but I don't really want to have to buy one. I like making my own stuff. As well as I'm going to start welding up a new tray. So this all should be coming in the next few months or so, and then the car should be drivable soon. My plan with the tray too is I'm just going to have a nice flat tray with a headboard that goes up over the top of the car, so I can run lights and stuff with that. As well as I might put, you know how you got like I'll have a headboard up this end, but then I'll also put a headboard at the back, and then I'll run like a ladder rack across the whole top of the car. So then I can have a roof rack that goes all the way across the top, where I can put my rooftop tent and all that, but still have a flat tray without having to have a canopy or anything. So, because I don't want to add too much weight to this car. But yeah, so that's probably all for this episode. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. There'll be a lot more better quality videos coming soon. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.